Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make a withdrawal in Odds96. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First thing you have to do is to sign in to your Odds96 account. Once you're here, go to your profile at the top right corner and tap on account balance. From here, you can see two options, to deposit and to withdraw. So of course, tap on withdrawal, but make sure that you have balance because if not, then you'll be asked to deposit first. So to withdraw money, go to withdrawal section and navigate to the withdrawal option in your account settings. After that, select payment method. Choose your preferred withdrawal method like bank transfer, e-wallet, and etc. Once done, enter your details, input the necessary information like your bank or wallet details. And after that, confirm and submit your withdrawal request. And that's it guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!